Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go how to draw a Howling Wolf. I've done one of these before. This is just another version. Gonna put a little bit more of a body on this one, but not much more. Anyways, very simple, very easy for beginners. So absolutely jump in if you're a beginner. And that's it. Let's get started, okay? Spooky drawings. Let's do it. Curve under, like for the top of the snout. Pointed snout here down for the nose, tip of the nose. Out over here, down for the top of the mouth. Line here for the opening of the mouth. Curve up. Tooth. Down. Underneath. Out. Out, out. So this is going to be under his neck, but we're not going to do that quite yet. I'm gonna show you kind of like what's going on a little bit more. So we're gonna go over here and we're gonna pull up. It's gonna be his eye area. Back, so the flat part of his head. Back, another right there, bump right there. A little bit of a bump because his ear is gonna be shooting out backwards. Line down, in. And then the ear has hair in it. Like it has hair all over him, but there's always this like kind of hair pattern that comes off the ear. At least off the inner ear. Go over here back. And I'm zigzagging down right here for his back, like his back of his hair. Over here in the on the top, up, in. Line in here. Curve. I'm gonna fill out most of that nose, not all of it. Down over here for his mouth, the opening of his mouth. And then down there. I'm actually going to fill that in dark to make it look like the mouth is opening a little bit. Over here, we're going to go to the back, and we're going to draw some hair right there, kind of like the back of his neck area. It's hard because this character is entirely fuzzy, right? Like a wolf is entirely furry. Just kind of draw this zigzag line all the way down. But the cool part is you don't have to put that many lines to make it read as, you know, what's happening, right? The wolf is up there. You can draw these thin lines now from the front, thin, very thin for the counter shading here. Or the, I'm sorry, they don't have counter shading, right? For the, you know, the coloring of the wolf. Counter shading, I think it's only in water, right? I think. Somebody correct me in the comments. But that's it. That's a really quick wolf right there with very minimal lines. Thank you so much. I appreciate you following. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. And absolutely check out the free, there's a bunch of free stuff on the Gumroad. The Gumroad's going to be below. Thanks so much. I'll talk to you next time.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.